Trump era tariffs are starting to crack, global supply chains are already shifting, and India could quietly be one of the biggest beneficiaries. But here is the real question: is this actually a wealth opportunity or just another geopolitical headline? Most investors are looking at it in a completely wrong way because tariffs don't create wealth by themselves, supply chain migration does. Stay with me till the end because one structural trigger will decide whether India actually captures this opportunity or not. Recent developments around US tariff posture and trade positioning signal one thing very clearly: global companies are accelerating diversification, not gradually, strategically. For years, firms have relied heavily on concentrated manufacturing hubs. Now, the priority has changed: resilience over dependency. And that is where the real story begins. But diversification only benefits countries that are actually ready. So, the real question is India ready? And why are the supply chains moving right now? So, there are three forces that are driving the shift. First, the geopolitical risk. Companies want to reduce the single country exposure. Second, cost optimization. Firms are hunting for competitive manufacturing bases. Third, policy incentive. Governments globally are pushing production diversification. Now, this is not a temporary move. This is a structural one. But supply chains don't move evenly. They concentrate in specific sectors first. So, what are the sectors where India could benefit? If the execution holds right, India is positioned in electronics and manufacturing, auto components, specialty chemicals, textiles and apparel, selective engineering exports. But, and this is critical, opportunity at country level does not automatically mean stock market winner. That's where most retail investors get trapped because the real money will be made only if one condition is met. For India to truly benefit, we should be watching this carefully. Sustained export order growth, not announcements, not MOUs, not headlines, actual order flow. If the export momentum builds consistently, manufacturing companies re-rate, capex cycle strengthens, and market leadership shifts. If not, this remains narrative. This single metric will separate hype from reality. If the supply chain migration accelerates, then it is bullish for manufacturing exporters, selected mid-cap industrials, logistics ecosystem, and EMS players. But the risk remains in execution bottlenecks, infrastructure gaps, and policy consistency. Markets will reward delivery, not intention. Most investors react to geopolitical headlines. Serious investors track structural capital shifts. If you want clear, no noise breakdowns of how global events actually translate into market opportunities, this channel is built for that. Tariffs create noise, supply chains create wealth. What's the migration?